As I shared earlier in the day, gold continued with the bullish momentum. I had shared that it must hit 2015 levels. It did already, and now aspiring to achieve 2018-2020 zone. Likewise, crude oil has got the resistance intact at 73.2 and has reversed since then. So now what to expect from gold and crude oil with the US session? How we can profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update must have already profited. Now, with that, let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with crude oil. Watch till the end. Every analysis, I am going to give you the trading levels. So do watch in detail and do watch till the end. Let's start now. First, gold, followed with crude. And yes, if you have not joined the channel memberships, join the channel memberships to get the additional benefits. Now, look at gold on the hourly charts. See, first of all, gold trading bearish here. Yes, it is still yielding lower highs, lower lows. I will wait for it to break past now 2020 levels in order to confirm further rise, and 2030 2032 is the reversal signal. If gold today trades above 2030 2032, we can confirm this for a reversal. Now if you look at the hourly chart, it is yielding higher highs, higher lows. We have to wait for it to break past first 2020 levels and then 24 25, and ultimate is 2030 32. If these three levels are taken, consider that gold has reversed and it is going to fly high. Moving averages are so far trading with divergence, are starting to look towards conversion. Stochastic rising, MACD is divergent, MACD is bullish looking upwards. It can try to stress the rise a little bit more. And if you look at RSI, this is rising as well. Coming to 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, only bit of caution note is, see, prices were divergent from the moving average. It has converged towards the moving average, and this certainly is a resistance here, and that is why I say once gold stays above 2018-2020 levels, we can initiate a buying position there, expecting it to move towards 24-25, the first target, and then 20-30-32, the next ones. Yes, moving average is trading with divergence certainly is a bearish sign. Stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over here at the bottom. It is trading with divergence. We can see fewer or more bullish candles from the current level. It can continue to rise. Possibility is there. RSI rising. Coming to 3-hour. Now look at 3-hour charts. Here also higher lows, higher highs. Just wait for it to break and see here the 20 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Bands are sitting at around 2020 levels. So yes, that is why I say this level is also a greater resistance than 24, and then towards up on the upside 20-30-32, beyond which we should treat gold for a reversal. Yes, it can continue to rise. Also, if you look at the movement on, we can observe, see the drop here, triple bottom, then the retracement, then lower lows here, again continuing the trend, and it can continue to rise. So there is another channel which is forming here, which is suggestive of 2050 levels as the high. Be watchful. Stochastic rising here, it has come to overbought. MACD, it was trading bearish so far. It is trying to converge. A crossover here can lead to the bullish momentum. RSI rising, coming to 4-hour chart. Likewise on the 4-hour charts, higher lows, higher highs. Just wait for it to break past 2018-2020, and then we have the probability for it to show a stronger rise, but only bullish momentum, as I confirmed, it's about 2030-2032 levels. As long as it stays below 2030-2032, we should not be treating this as bullish. Stochastic rising, MACD trying to converge here. It was trading with so much of divergence. A crossover here can lead to the bullishness. RSI rising. Coming to the day, before we look into the daily charts and I share you the further details, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my 28th mentorship batch commencing on 28th of January. Register yourself now. Do not miss this opportunity. Equip yourself with the right tools and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades and help you trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. And also, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you can definitely benefit. The second point is visit the platform www.forexfunda.com, where you have all your queries answered related to all my services. And yes, you can book a call there with me if you need any consultation or guidance, and this consultation can be completely free if you are part of our webinar series. Do register for it. Do visit the platform forexfunda.com, and do join the free Telegram channel to get the live market updates. Now look at the daily chart. First of all, on the daily charts, two red candles, and in past we have seen, see gold. First of all, let me take you to a distant movement here. See, this is the mid-October levels here. In the middle of the October, we have found gold getting the support here, then the peak of the channel, bottom of the channel, peak of the channel, towards the bottom, towards the peak, towards the bottom. And this is the third wave, and it is trying to reverse. There is a possibility it could show a reversal from the current levels. Look at low lower lows. And this is coming after a bullish momentum. This is forming a nice flag. Thus, here on the upside, 2060 levels is the complete reversal or a breakout level for the near term for gold. And right now, it is staying within this zone. Third observation here is, see, it is two red candles after the drop retracement, couple of stronger red candles, it is trying to retrace. Now see, this candle has already started at a lower levels, it has formed higher lows and it is starting to retrace. Now consider that, see, there is one probability what that it could try to form a third red candle here. First red candle, second red candle, and third can be formed. There is one possibility, but after forming the diminishing, achieving the lows here, it is trying to reverse here. See, it has formed the lows and it is trying to reverse. Once beyond 2024, once gold breaks out beyond 2024-25, the possibility of it to reverse completely exists strong, where we can look forward to 2030-32, and in fact see higher lows, higher highs, so it can aspire to achieve 2038-40 as well. Yes, it can show an exceptional rise if it stays above 2030-32 levels. We can see the bullish momentum continuing here. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is divergent and bearish. It is trading with too much of divergence. Possibility for it to converge exists. See what it has done. It has seen the rise. It has retraced here, and possibly a crossover from here should bring the bullishness. RSI has dropped. Considering this for the day, I will recommend you to buy here at 2018-2020 zone, somewhere here. Yes, you can initiate a buying position. 2024, 23.5 should be the first target, and then 2030-32 is going to be the next. After that, certainly the bulls will take over completely. On the downside, a selling entry is at 2008. Below 2008, you can initiate a selling position. First support at 200504, and then it is going to drop below 2000 and 1997. 2000 and 1997 is the strongest support for gold on the downside. Below 1997, a crash is waiting for gold. But it does not appear to be the case here. Possibility of a reversal still exists strong. Take your trades accordingly. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Now let's have a look at crude oil. See, crude oil on the early charts, after staying bearish, forming a stronger support here, as retraced, and in fact it has achieved 73.2 as well. Earlier in the day we have discussed why 73.2 should be a greater resistance, and then 73.6 levels. Now if you look at what it has done, it has created lower highs here, it has created lower lows here, it is trying to remain in this bearish zone. But look, there is a crossover in the moving average. This is a bullish sign. Now only selling entry today can be seen here at 72.3, 72.2 zone, and then only and only if it breaks below 71.8, we can treat it to be bearish. Stochastic looking down. See, MACD after retracing a bit, it has crossed over first red candle. It can continue to yield favor more red candles from the current levels. RSI looking down. Coming to 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, higher highs here, and since then it is trying to give a breakout, and possibly once it breaks below this zone here at 71.7, 71.8 is where the bears will take over. Else what it is trying to do, see, connect the dots here, connect the dots here, it is trying to trade bullish in this channel. The support levels at 72.2 are going to remain strong, as we discussed earlier today. The stochastic looking down. MACD traded with divergence and bullishness. It is starting to converge. A crossover is what you should wait for. RSI looking downwards. Coming to 3-hour. Similar is the observation here on the 3-hour charts as well. Moving average is starting to converge, not yet crossed over. Only selling entry below 72.2. But then also be very, very alert as long as 71.8, 72 levels are respected on the downside. The stochastic looking down. MACD is still in green, trying to converge a bit. RSI is almost flat. Coming to 4-hour chart, similar observation is there on the 4-hour charts. Higher lows, higher highs, and yes, one more point you should note is the median here. See the swings here, and the median right now again at around 72.8. Thus a buying entry at 72.8 can be taken, but with the caution note that 73, 73.2, and then 73.6, these three levels needs to be breached. Else what is happening right now, lower highs, lower lows. Thus we have to be watchful here. Stochastic overbought, trying to cool down. MACD is still in green. It has not yet crossed over. RSI is flat. Coming to the daily, likewise on the daily charts, look at the preceding candle. There was a bigger tail and it is traded in the bullish zone. See, also yesterday this candle has breached this upward trending or consolidation zone. It has again fallen back within the zone. Now so far beautifully for the day, it is again consolidating within the zone. Thus it needs to give a breakout. Any drop below 72 to 71.8 zone should again call for the bears here, thus you have to be watchful. And at the same time, on the upside 73.6 levels, once it takes away, then you can treat this that we are looking forward to 74, 74.1, and beyond that sky is the limit on the upside. The stochastic is rising, MACD is still in green, RSI flat. Considering this, buy at around 73. Expect 73, or rather I will recommend you to buy at 72.8 itself. When the lower price or the median is above 72.8, you can buy, but then expect 73, 73.2 as a greater resistance. After that 73.5, 73.6. If these two levels are taken, then certainly we are looking forward to 74 plus plus. On the downside, a selling entry is only below 72.2, below which you can expect it to move towards 72, 71.8. Very strong support at 71.8, 72 zone. And after that, we are looking forward to 71.4, 71 as the two supports. Below that, a crash is what you can see. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Do watch the next update tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.